In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in InVideo AI. Whether you're localizing a project for a new audience or just want your script, captions, and voiceover in a different language, the process is quick and relies on a single, precise command. First, logging into InVideo AI using your usual method. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection because the AI needs a moment to apply changes across your project once you give it the command. After logging in, open the specific project you want to update. This ensures the AI knows exactly which set of scenes, text elements, and voiceover to work with. Inside your open project, look for the command box. Depending on your interface, it may appear at the bottom or side of the editor and is often labeled something like Command or Ask AI. This is the place where you tell the system what you want it to do in plain language. Now type a clear, specific instruction. For example, you can write, Change language to Spanish. Being precise helps the AI act confidently and consistently. If you have a preference for a regional variant, you can include that as part of the same instruction, such as change language to Spanish, Spain, or change language to Spanish, Mexico. You can also be explicit about what should change. For instance, change language to Spanish for script, captions, and voiceover. If you only need the on-screen text changed and want to keep your existing voice, phrase it accordingly in the same style. Once your command is ready, press enter or click send. Give the AI a short moment to process. You'll typically see updates roll through your script, subtitles, on-screen text, and where supported, the voiceover as well. Keep an eye on the preview to confirm that the language has switched as expected. If something looks off, refine your instruction to be even more specific and send it again. Short, direct commands tend to perform best. If the AI doesn't respond right away, make sure your project is actively open and that you entered the command in the correct box. A quick resend often does the trick. For large or complex projects, allow a little extra time for the changes to finish applying. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, use the command box, type a precise instruction like change language to Spanish, and hit send. With that one step, InVideo AI handles the heavy lifting so your content is ready for a new audience.